Alright, we're going to show you the easy part of building the house. We got the holes all dug here, walls all sheeted, and we're going to start standing them up. You see how quick the process goes here once we got it organized. It doesn't hurt that this is the third house or fourth house we built too. So we got the holes all leveled. We got a block in each corner so the house stays level. And here comes one of the side walls. Sorry, that's the interior partition wall. So each side of this makes a bedroom. And then we got the front wall here. And all these ladies that you see standing here holding the walls, they do a lot more than just hold walls. They dig holes. Anything that needs to be done, they do it. Pretty incredible. So the area closest to us here would be what we would call living room, and each side of that partition is going to be a bedroom. The bedrooms get the windows, the living area gets the doors. Here, got one of the trusses going up. Alright, so we got the next couple trusses up, or the last of them. And they're just going to start sheeting the walls here now, which gives it its structural strength. And we've almost got the whole frame up. It's only been about 5, maybe 10 minutes. Alright, so we got all the walls sheeted. They're starting to tie in the, we call them pralines, on the roof. Tyson here is working up high, or no, he's on the end. Spencer's here working high. What are you doing, Dave? Putting on some corner beads so that nobody gets themselves cut on the sharp metal here. So come together very quickly once we get it all organized. All right, we just got the sheeting on the front half, including the overtime. Spencer's going to go up and start screwing it down. We got the windows going in over here. You can see we got the bedrooms built. We got Paul hanging out up there, going to start screwing them down. I'm going to start putting the window in over there. Miguel. He builds lots of these houses down here. Alright, we're just about done here. They're just putting the finishing touches on. Doors are hanging, just putting the stops in on the last door. Spencer and Tyson are up on the roof, putting the ridge cap on. I think they got mostly screwed on. Paul's on the other side, just putting the last of the screws in on that side, and and we got it beat 11 o'clock. So got it done very quickly this year and this time. Lots of help from all the people here. We had a couple good people who really done this lots and lots, and made all the difference. It was great.